Today, I'll show you how to create a visualization in Tableau. If you're new to Tableau or just looking to refine your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Creating visualizations can seem daunting at first, but with a little guidance, you'll be able to transform your data into insightful and interactive charts in no time. So let's dive in and transform your raw data into something visually compelling. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to tableau.com. Tableau is a powerful tool for data visualization, and it's widely used for turning complex data sets into easy to understand visual narratives. Once you're on the website, make sure you're logged in if you haven't already so you can access your recent projects and data sources. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the recent section on your dashboard. This section gives you quick access to your most recent projects. Find the project you want to work on and click it to open. This is a great way to jump right back into your work without having to search through files or folders. Now that your project is open, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the Tableau workspace. You'll see a section labeled Tables. This is where all your data lives. To start building your visualization, select the table that contains the data you want to visualize. Click on it, hold down the mouse button, and drag it over to the columns section in the middle of your workspace. This action will start the process of building your visualization by defining what data will appear along the horizontal axis of your chart. It's important to choose the right data for your columns, as this will set the foundation for your entire visualization. Once you've got your data in the columns section, the next step is to add another dimension to your visualization by dragging data into the rows section. Go back to the tables section, select the data you want to use for your rows, and drag it over just like you did for the columns. This will define the vertical aspect of your chart, allowing for a more detailed and interactive visualization. The interplay between the columns and rows will dictate the overall look and feel of your chart, so think carefully about which data you want to highlight. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've created a basic visualization in Tableau. Of course, this is just the beginning. Tableau offers a wide range of customization options that allow you to tweak, refine, and style your chart to better tell your data story. You can experiment with different chart types, apply filters, and adjust formatting to make your visualization as comprehensive and insightful as possible. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different data sets and visualization types. The more you practice, the more proficient you'll become, and soon enough, creating complex visualizations will be second nature. Thanks for following along, and happy visualizing.